Moving day demands an emergency kit that keeps first aid and essential tools reachable, so minor incidents do not derail the whole process. Assemble a compact first aid kit with adhesive bandages, sterile gauze, antiseptic wipes, medical tape, pain relievers, allergy medicine, and any regular prescriptions, and store them in a clear resealable bag so contents are visible at a glance. Add a small toolbox containing a flathead and Phillips screwdriver, adjustable pliers, a wrench, a utility knife with spare blades, and a roll of heavy-duty tape so you can quickly disassemble furniture or tighten loose bolts. Keep tools in one medium-sized box labeled not to be packed in the moving truck. Pack 2 reliable flashlights and a supply of fresh batteries in a zipped pouch, and include a headlamp if you need both hands to make a quick repair or search a dark room. Keep phone chargers with multiple connector types and a portable power bank at full charge in the kit so communication and navigation stay available, and write down important contacts on a card in case phones die. Stash bottled water and non-perishable snacks such as energy bars or nuts for quick hydration and calories between loading runs, and add disposable gloves and a dust mask to protect hands and lungs during heavy lifting or dust exposure. Create a printed list of emergency numbers, including local emergency services, your moving company phone, utility providers, and a trusted neighbor or family contact, and fold it into a pocket of the kit so you can call for help even if your phone battery fails. Common mistakes include burying the kit in a packed box so it is unreachable. Fix that by designating the kit as an open box that travels in the car or stays by the front door. Another issue is incomplete medical supplies or expired medications. Check expiration dates the week before and replace anything that is out of date, and include any personal prescriptions with clear labels. A third problem is forgetting practical tools or chargers. Make a short checklist 3 days before moving and physically lay out every item so you can confirm everything is present and packed into the single emergency bag. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where people share moving day tips, emergency kit lists, and contractor experiences. We help contractors find work by allowing them to join conversations and showcase their services to homeowners actively planning projects.